To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 4 fasteners securing the housing. Remove the fasteners. Before the housing can be lifted, slide the tabs out of their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, re-engage the fasteners. Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.